Hello! If you click to this video to know how to create your own book cover, then you're in the right place. So let's go and I will show you how to avoid the common mistakes when you create your book. Go to the Canva website, canva.com. So here we are. Now we need to register. Of course, I have my own account, so I will stick it. You can do everything for free. That's why in this video I will show you everything with free option. The first thing we need to understand what dimensions we need to use. For my particular book, I will use the 6 by 9 inches. So create a design, custom size, let's go, 6 by 9. But there are more dimensions we need to know, because, for example, this is a front cover, back cover and the spine. It's not my book, it's just a simple book from my bookshelf. And 6 by 9 is only the one side of the book. That's why what we should to do: go to the Google bar and type KDP calculator dimension. Yeah. Print cover. Okay. KDP cover calculator. Yeah. So select paperback. It's our book. Interior type black and white. Select type white paper. Left to right. Measurements inches. Okay. And trim size. Now we selected 6 by 9 inches. There is one more significant thing that we need to understand. The more pages we will create, the more size we need to create. So the most common size on particular our book, I will create a composition notebook. It's between 100 and 120 pages. So let's choose something in the middle, 110 pages. Here we are, calculate dimensions. Now we see our dimension. It's 12.498, 9.25. And now we need to download template. Our desktop and save. Yeah. So now go back to the Canva and choose the inches. White, just Command C or Control C, Command V or Control V. The same with height. Go 8 inches. Yeah, create new design. So now you can see this our dimensions. And let's go and upload our we can do it. Go, here we are, open, and inside. Okay. Go to Canva, upload media, desktop. Here our sample. As you can see, it's reach all our design. And with this sample we can create the right way our cover. Okay, delete, we don't need it now. So let's go and choose something interesting for our background. Let's choose floral background, floor background. Yeah, and I will choose only the free option. Free. Apply filters. Okay. Let's choose something interesting. Oh, I love this. I love this one. Let's switch it. Okay. But I don't like that this flowers on the top, because we need some space for our fonts. So let's flip it. Yeah, it's better. Okay, go to the uploads, take our sample, reach to the edge, and now we transparency. Yeah, now you can see that there is the right dimensions, there is the spine of our book, and now we can create a font. So let's go to the text, choose this one. As I said, we will create composition notebook. Composition notebook. Yep, так, too big, so let's stick to, I don't know, 32. Go here. Now come back to the lines and shapes, choose this one. Reduce the size first. Command C, Command V a few times. Here we are. Position to the left and tidy up. Okay, but it's too thick. Let's reduce the size till, I know, 2. Okay, now check. Now to the edges. Okay, reduce the transparency. Okay. Okay. Command Z. I don't like, so let's reduce. No. Let's go there. Delete. Command C, Command V. Do the same. Position, left wing, tidy up, just tidy up, and align to the center. Yep. Okay. So now we have our cover. Double check. Transparency. Position backward. The dimensions is right, but I probably will add some flowers to this particular design. A small tip for you: if you want to be more competitive on Amazon, you should to combine some different designs. So let's go to elements and find some, I don't know, flowers. Yeah, flowers. So check, it's only 3 options we need. Okay, here we are. Watercolor design, I love it. So go here. Let's change something. Okay, the next one. It's a cool thing, the magic recommendation you can choose. So let's choose this one. Yeah, this one. No. I don't like anything from here, but maybe this. Oh yeah, this is interesting. So go here. I will probably stick to the center almost, and this one to the top of our design. Yeah, here we are. My advice for you: always check before you download your design. Double check, triple check. You need to do it. It's better and easy to make changes right here than if you will upload your cover on Amazon and in 7 days they will ban your cover and say that you haven't right dimensions and you need to change it. So double check. Transparency. So we see everything is okay, but I don't like the simply font I use. Open Sans. Let's go further and choose anything. Oh, yeah. So you need to understand that you don't know how kind of design will love by your customer, but you can go to Amazon, search for composition notebook and understand what kind of designs are selling well. So stick to these kind of designs, but don't copy it. You must to be the unique one, so you can only inspire by best sellers, and then you will create your own unique design. So our cover is ready, so let's download it. Not PNG. We need to choose PDF print, download, and everything is okay. Desktop, composition notebook, PDF. Let's check. Okay, everything is okay. We have created our cover. If you already have your interior, so just skip the next video and go directly to the next one, where I showing how to upload your book on Amazon right and not to get a rejection from it. Thank you for watching and hope see you in the next video. Bye bye.